on live cursing you out for Gezzo. That's what makes you mad that you're talking.
That's
you
cap.
know this has nothing to do with
That's cap. That's cap. How did I burn her, chat? How did I burn her though?
Okay, show me the
Chat,
proof
how did
where
I
I
burn
say you
her?
burn me.
How did I burn her, chat? This is me, chat. 0410 2005. That's me. How did I burn her? Everything came back negative.
Is this nigga dumb?
I'm confused.
So King, I want to ask you a question. You want to be a part of this mix so bad, right?
I don't.
So if I'm telling you,
He just came over here and told me that you was talking like, how the fuck, chat?
And hold on, and you
Listen,
believe,
chat. I'm just
and
real,
you
chat.
believe what this
if they
nigga
fucking
just
with each
said.
other, chat, what the fuck do I have anything to do with their conversations? How am I getting brought up in their conversations?
I'm knowing
she banged me up because when I used to be asked what she used to talk about Kino and all these lame ass people I don't know. What the fuck?
Bro, King is slow as fuck. This nigga slow.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe, as you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't completed. Minute upon the beat and you can see upon the screen. 3 TikTokers linked up to prove who have it from who don't. People putting out the comment section what you think about that. Me not even know say King and Gezzo did a bridging and Ivany did a F the whole crew. This is my say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But honestly, people, I'm inclined to believe internet sensation Ivany when she says that Gezzo give her because King and these other people don't get it. This is my say, and all of these people, you see, I know Gezzo coming now live, things happen. You know what I mean? Remember, we do a review the other day in the sea in front of you where, you know, one of my followers sent a picture with Gezzo and one fish. And I warned Ivany about the DL man them in Atlanta. But nevertheless, let's hear what I'm going for to go on and proceed. You see me?
A nigga come on your live and tell you.
Yeah.
A nigga come on your live and tell you I said I shoot him. After me and this nigga be having 2 hours out of conversation on live arguing. This has nothing to fucking do with you. I said King results came negative. I showed. King
and it's crazy because I never even said that I
negative.
didn't want to get tested. I said, bro, I was like, bro, because, bitch, if I was back in Florida, I wouldn't have to pay $275. That's what I'm trying to tell her.
Merchant King, when I say to you, let's go to the doctor, and I say I'm going to get checked. When I say, King, you're going to get checked. Wasn't this what you say? I don't need to get checked because I already got checked the other day. My stuff came negative. I just got checked. My stuff got negative, and I'm not burning. I'm not seeing no symptoms. Lie or wrong? Right or wrong?
Listen,
okay, boom.
Fact.
Okay, boom. We went to the doctor. We both get checked. All your stuff came back negative. Right or wrong?
My shit came back negative. I just showed.
Negative.
I literally just showed my shit.
Mine too. Didn't mine come back negative? Right or wrong?
Yeah, pull it up.
I'll pull it up again.
I showed my shit negative. I just showed my shit negative.
Okay,
so
hold on. I'm going to pull it up. I'll pull this shit up.
How is it my fault though? He's literally saying that you told him that it was my fault.
But I'm saying, if you wanna be on Jesus' side, just say so.
I'm not on nobody. I'm not saying this is not my business. I don't give a fuck.
But
I'm straight. I'm not burning.
Name was
I'm not
not
burning.
This
mama.
nigga,
I can go take a good piss right now.
This nigga come on your live.
I don't give a fuck. I can go take a great, lovely piss.
You just
I'm
want
not
a piece
burning.
of the clout.
It's not my business. I don't give a fuck. This man's telling me that I'm being brought up in a situation that I had nothing to do with.
You want a piece of the clout?
I knew it was King and I knew this that he cheated. How, gang?
You just want a piece of the clout. Because if a bitch and
the comments... How though, gang? How?
The comments and the people are telling you this has nothing to do with you. Gezzo found your life to be messy with you. Nobody called your name. Nobody mentioned King's name. This is about Bonnie and
exactly.
Gezzo.
What the fuck? I just got back to the crib. The people came to my lawn and talked about this shit.
Lie.
What the fuck?
Lie. Nobody called your name.
3 minutes on my mama. 3 minutes of me on the live. What the fuck? I ain't even said shit about none of this. They came to my lawn talking about this shit. What the
you
fuck?
just one piece of the clout, nigga. You so fucking weird.
What the hell? I'm straight, bitch. I'm not burning. I never been burned.
Dirty
never
blood
burned
clot.
anyone.
Rasta boy.
What the fuck?
Hold on. Because if I'm telling you this has nothing to do with you and you gonna sit here telling me, oh, what the nigga, it basically, you believe in the, boom, here you go.
I'm telling her, chat, what the fuck, chat, I ain't got shit to do with that, chat. I don't have shit to do with this. This is what I'm telling y'all. I'm just trying to figure out why they saying I burnt her. I'm looking at the comment. They talking about, King fucked her in October. He burnt her. I didn't burn nobody, gang.
King, you hearing me?
Yeah, I hear you.
We went to the doctor on the 8th, Jennifer Vermont, August 20, 2025. Right or wrong? That was with me and you when we went together.
Dates.
Okay, look. Hold on. What are these? Can you see? Bro, why am I even showing this nigga? This nigga saw it. I sent this old thing to this nigga message.
You're not showing me, bro. You showing
But
them.
if I'm
I don't
telling
give
you,
a fuck.
look, if I'm telling you what's going on has nothing to do with you, why is it so hard for you to understand that it has nothing to do with you?
I'm literally telling my chat, y'all not understand me, chat. This man's literally coming to me. Chat, this man's literally coming to me. I'm on my live, chat, minding my business. He coming to me, telling me that she was saying, oh,
No,
I should never believe King. I knew King did it. You're obviously putting me in the shit. And how the fuck would I do it if I'm literally showing you the shit came back negative? You know this shit said negative. So how the fuck?
You know.
I'm confused though, chat.
Listen how you're stupid. You say,
How?
I know. You
This is
say,
what
listen, King, you're saying,
Yes.
I know, and you know is negative. But it's not about the negative. It's about the nigga coming and telling you something, and you steady act like
you're slow. How am I slow,
chat?
chat? Y'all, chat, how?
Because you're acting like you're believing what the nigga
Bro,
says
it's not even
when I
believing
didn't
it.
say that.
Bro, listen, bro. I don't give a fuck. And I really would not know. This is what I'm telling you, though. What the fuck?
But you act
How
like
the
you
fuck
believe
do I
because
come in? Bro, how do I come in, though, anywhere, though?
when I
This
just
is what I'm
came
saying.
on
How
the
does my
line,
name get brought up?
and that's what I'm saying. Jesus is fucking weird as fuck because you see the nigga on his live. You're on your live.
Chat,
I'm
in a
on my
burning
live.
situation, how the fuck does
Why
my
the
name come
fuck
up
you
anywhere?
would-
I've never been burnt. I've
can't
never
take
burnt
the
anyone.
heat.
And I'm perfectly. How does my name come up anywhere, though?
Gezzo,
This is what I'm just trying to
you
understand.
wanna fucking
What the
text
fuck?
King, nigga.
She's
You
Captain
been
trying to
wanna
say she
text
did not say
King,
that,
King.
chat, on my dead cousin, chat. Y'all don't know
You
shit.
been wanna
She
text
literally
King,
talks about
nigga.
niggas when she's with a nigga. What the
You
fuck?
been wanna text King.
I've seen this
You
shit
told
from my
me
own.
that-
I've seen it with my own eyes. While she's
told me
with a
that
nigga,
you
she will
bring
bring
your
up a whole
pipeline
nother
blood
nigga.
clot, King.
What the fuck? I've seen this shit, gang. What are y'all talking about?
King, pipe down, you motherfucker. You just mad because I cursed you out the other day. You
Yo,
want to
yeah.
believe. You want to
Yo.
believe the nigga. You want piece of the cloud, but
Yo.
this cloud has nothing to do with you. You ain't
Yeah.
getting piece of this cloud. Nobody talking. You want to be a part of this cloud. You want to be a part of Ivany and Jesus argument so bad.
Yeah,
You're
I
making
definitely
it something.
yeah.
You're making it something that is not. You want to be a part of Gezzo and Ivany
Facts,
cloud so
100%.
bad. You can't get that, nigga. Fuck as you talking about. You want to be a part of the cloud so bad. If you want to say you burn, you burn. But I'm in
Nah,
no
hey,
Jesus,
that's
you
bro.
want to
Listen,
put
I'm
a gun
already
in
doing.
your
I seen this shit
underpants.
with my own eyes, gang.
King, nobody's giving you clout. You ain't getting none of this clout. You ain't getting none of
She
this
came to my
clout.
live the other day to start yapping. That's the first thing she said. Did you get checked?
You know what?
How do you
Yes,
sound though when
because
you
the
know
nigga
my shit
said-
came back negative though? This is
The
what
nigga
I'm, this is
talk
what
to
I'm
me.
saying though. Make it make sense.
I don't
That was
give
the
a
first
fuck.
thing
You're
she
not
said
getting none of
when
this
Ziggy
clout.
added her. That was the first thing she said.
You're not getting
That was the first thing
You're
she
not
said. Did
getting
you
none
get
of this
checked?
clout.
Why are you even playing with my name if you know my shit came back
You're
negative?
not getting
Why are
none
you
of
playing with
this
my name
clout.
though? This is what I'm saying, but I'm dumb. I'm slow. I'm confused.
You
Chat.
want
y'all
a clout
lying, bro.
that got
Chat.
nothing
Y'all
to
lying,
do
chat.
with
I'm
you.
telling y'all, chat. This girl would bring
You
up
got a
another
clout
nigga when
that
she's
got
with
nothing-
a nigga. I never did that. I never been around a bitch and I wouldn't talk about a whole nother bitch. Like what the fuck? This is what I'm saying, chat. Y'all capping.
I
I hear you. What the
have one
fuck?
question for you. I have one question for you. I could say and talk whatever I want on anybody. I just got one question.
I can too. I
What
can
this
too.
got to do with you?
I can too though.
What this got to do with you?
I
You want to
can
be a
too,
part of
though.
it so bad.
Okay, you right. What does it have to do? Why'd you brought my name up though? No, think about it. You brought my
Where
name
is
up.
the proof?
Saying I burnt you. And you thought
Where
it was
is
like
the
it was my
proof?
fault.
Where is the proof?
He's saying it right here. What the fuck? He's literally saying it right here.
So hold on, let me ask you. If
Bro.
a girl came on my live and said, Vonnie, King shot me, and he said you gave it to him, I was supposed to believe that bitch.
Yeah, you're gonna believe it. You obviously believe it. You believe when the girl said I fucked her.
There was
You
proof.
said I cheated on you. You said I cheated on you.
There was
Yeah, you're gonna
proof
believe it.
in
Yes,
your
you are gonna
phone.
believe it. There's no proof. There's no proof of me fucking her.
There is a
There's
proof
no
in
proof.
your
You
phone.
never
Where did
seen
I
me
get the
fuck no
messages
other.
from?
That's cap. That's
Where did
cap.
I get the message from?
So
the
King, why
message
she
came
go
out
live
of
with
your
her
phone.
I'm gonna get checked.
That's cap.
Show your meds. Chat. This shit is from a whole this shit was from early December. The meds been gone. I been took meds and all that, chat. This shit been gone, but we're just talking about it now because this one she wanna bring it up, chat.
I get a
This
clout and
she
it
bring
not
it up
work.
today.
Fuck would she even play on my
Me
name?
decline
Even
and
say
reject
that
you the
on
other
my
day.
name?
And that make you vex.
This is what I'm trying to figure out. This man came to me
3,000
talking about
people
some
sister
After
what
she
King
found out that
said,
she burnt him,
you're not
she
making
tried to say,
no
"Oh, I know
sense.
it was King.
You're
It was
just
King's
mad
fault."
because a bitch come
How?
cursing you the
If
other
you literally
day,
see
and
my
the
shit
bitch
came
don't
back
want you
negative
back.
though, gang.
So now
Thank
your
you.
little
What the fuck?
chances.
I have no reason to lie. I swear to God on Jesus Christ, I don't got no reason to lie. Y'all know I never would bring a nigga name up who not even in it. This is what the fuck she goddamn did this shit. She bring this shit to the internet trying to say Gezzo gave her some shit. She's a fucking liar, chat. She's a fucking liar, chat. On my mama life, she's a fucking liar, chat. She's a liar, chat. On Jesus Christ, she's a liar. On my mama life, I'm one of the cleanest niggas, chat. What the fuck? One of the cleanest niggas, chat. She the reason niggas had to take them blue pills, chat. Ask her, what the fuck?
She was
Niggas
gonna
don't
come back. I
gotta
don't give a
Dude.
fuck. I don't give no fuck.
I
fucking
never
liar.
see somebody
That's what
want
I'm
to get
saying,
burned
chat.
so
Make it make
bad.
sense.
I
She's
never
a fucking
seen
liar,
somebody
chat.
want to get
She's a
burned so
liar,
bad.
chat.
People are
She's a
telling you
liar.
this got
Hey,
nothing.
nah, hey.
Chad, why do they keep asking for my results if I just said she gave me the shit? If I just said on December 1st she gave me the shit, what the fuck am I showing the results for? Please let me know if I just said she gave me the shit. I took the fucking pills. What am I showing it for? Please tell me.
I don't give no
Dude.
fuck. Somebody, you tripping, but I ain't
But
never
look,
been burned.
King,
Fuck
You
you talking
wanna
about
be
chat.
you
Fuck she
wanna
gonna
be
bring
a
my name
part
up
of
while she
this
with a
so
nigga.
bad.
Like what the
the
hell?
fuck this
Yo,
gotta do with
hey,
you?
King, gang, look, listen. I ain't got the lie, nigga. I ain't even trying to bring my homegirl into it, King. Ask Jessica. I told Jessica every fucking thing as soon as it happened on my mama life, gang.
I know,
On
bro.
my mama
Bro, I
life.
already know. Jessica
On
already put, bro.
Jesus.
She already hit
On
me, gang.
Jesus.
Jessica
On my
already hit
mama.
me,
Jessica know
gang.
every fucking thing.
I'm
I
already
told
knowing
Jessica
Jessica know
everything.
everything, bro. She capping on this bitch, bro.
Every time some shit happened, King, me and Jessica goddamn talked about it. I went back and told Jessica all the time because that's my homegirl. Every fucking time, chat. She's a liar on my mama life. On Jesus, she's a
You're
liar.
I want to get something because it seemed like you're so you're 100% sure. You're saying Ivany has chlamydia. Ivany gave Gezzo it.
This man, hey, listen,
No,
this is what
I'm
he's
just
telling me.
asking
That's
because you're
not what this
talking
about.
in
This
his
This
is
is
head
about
about
you
you be
bringing
the last
attention
person
to
you
it.
fuck. He's telling
let
me this
me
shit.
let
Like
me
I said, I
mute
don't give a
Gezzo.
fuck. I don't give a fuck.
I have a
I'm
question
straight.
for
I'm
you.
good.
But you just telling the nigga that you believe him, so I gave that shit to him. That's what you're saying. So you're positive that Ivany had chlamydia and Ivany gave it to him.
Listen, it's not my business. I don't give a fuck.
That's what I'm
That's why
asking
I'm
you.
here.
So
I'm here
why
on.
is
I'm
it?
just trying to figure out why are you bringing me up though?
So hold
Like
on.
where did I come
So
in? Like where did I come in?
She brung King up, chat. She brung King up. She brung this nigga up. These niggas is slow. Yeah, the niggas in the comments is actually slow, dead ass. How were you celibate but got tested in August? Chat, I was abstinent. I stopped. My last time I had sex before Ivany was in July. I could show y'all the test results from that. On my mama life. I could show y'all the test results from that, gang. On my mama life. The last time I had sex was in July. On Jesus Christ. I came back from the A. I came back to Charlotte and got my ass checked. On my mama life. That was the last time I had checks, chat. That was the last time I had sex, chat. That was the last time I had sex, chat. On my mama life. That was the last time I had sex, chat. On Jesus Christ, that was the last time I had sex, chat. She was the first girl I had sex with since July, and that was in November, chat. That was in no fucking November, chat. She's a liar, chat.
Negative.
and why
Like
are you
she just said,
inserting
my
yourself?
paperwork came back negative.
And why
so
are
why
you
the
still
fuck is she
inserting
playing on my
yourself?
name, even saying that she knew it was me? I'm confused. A motherfucker not just finna say that out the blue, gang.
Nigga,
What the
if
fuck?
I'm on
And then
live,
she came to my live talking about, did you get checked? Why are you asking me
I'm
dumb shit
on
like that?
fucking live.
What is you
Nigga, if
talking about?
I'm on live with 4,000 people, I went into my
Bro, I don't
text.
give a fuck.
I pulled my shit up. I said, I spoke it on live. I got 4,000 people. I said, King is negative. We got tested. King is negative. That's what I said. I then said, me,
So why did you tell him
negative.
different though? Think about it.
So why is
No, chat. Think about it. Think about it,
that
chat.
the
Like, think about it.
chat
She has
telling you
4,000 people.
something
She
and
showed
you
the
want
live
to
that.
believe the
This is what
chat
she's telling
so
the live.
bad?
What did she tell him?
All right, chat, look. This is my test results, literally. This is my test results for when I was in July. That was the last time I got fucking tested because that was the last time I had sex. July 30th, chat. July 30th, chat. July 30th. That was the last time I had sex before her, chat. That was the last time I had sex before her, chat. Jamaican, your lab work has shown STD screening is negative. One of your liver function tests is very mild. I recommend reduce drinking alcohol. Living in Atlanta, so please follow up with a provider. Negative. STD screening was negative, chat. That was in July. That was July. My shit came back. I got tested July 30th, but the results came back August 1st, chat. That was the last time. That was the last time I had sex before Ivany. I swear to God on Jesus Christ. That's the last time I had sex. Shit, I was abstinent. She was the first person. She was the first person I had sex with in November. On my mama life, that's the only person I had sex with. I was with her damn near every fucking night, chat. Every fucking night. And after that, look. And after that, chat, no cap. After that, chat, look. December 1st. December 1st. That shit came back. December 1st, chat. I got tested. What the fuck? That shit came back from Ivany. What the fuck? I don't have to sit here and lie, nigga. I don't have to sit here and lie, chat. What the fuck? I don't have to sit here and lie.
I've dumbass nigga. You come up here want to believe everything fucking Gezzo saying.
I don't give a fuck.
Why did Gezzo? Why did
I don't give a
I don't gotta fucking lie, chat. I don't have to fucking lie. I don't have to fucking lie. What? She gave me that shit, nigga. My shits came back August 1st. I got tested July 30th, chat. That was the last time I had sex before Ivany. I had sex while I was abstinent. I had sex with Ivany in November, chat. What the fuck? I had sex with her in November, chat. Come on, gang.
King name. King is negative. I went on, asked the people. I went on my file and I say, I'm negative. King and I did a test the same fucking day. King has
Nigga, I
nothing
just showed y'all dumbasses. I just fucking showed y'all. Y'all are dumb. These niggas are dumb. I just fucking showed y'all.
Talking about King. Why the fuck you don't go to King? You're acting like...
So now you're infected. No, that was December 1st. I took my pills and all that shit. It's gone now. But Ivany just decided to bring it up tonight for some reason. She decided to bring it up tonight. That's what she does. She decided to bring all this shit up tonight. That's why we're talking about it. This shit been going.
Oh, and I'm gonna get the problems. I'll keep the problems. That's what you were saying. Every time you in my bed, you talk about that dumbass nigga can't get you back. Don't follow him with his shading. Now you're on the nigga live trying to paint a picture like I said.
Wait, who
this
said
has nothing
that?
to do
Who
with
said
King.
that?
And I repeat this 1,000 times.
Who
This
said
has
that?
nothing to do with King. And if
Wait,
King want to
what'd
keep
she say,
thinking
Chat?
it
What'd
has
she say?
something to do with him,
What'd
then
she
you're a
say?
clout chaser.
Hey, King, what she
You're
say?
a clout chaser.
Listen,
King,
bro.
what she say?
I don't know what the fuck.
Jesus,
did
you're
she
fucking
just try to make
burning.
some
My business, gang. It ain't my business. I'm just...
Burning. You're burning, Jesus. This has nothing to do with
Bunny,
King.
you are a
I
burning
have
bitch.
King
You're dirty. You're a
files. King had
prostitute,
sent it
bitch.
to me.
You was a prostitute,
Negative.
bitch.
I
You was a
have
prostitute
mine.
before me. You was a
Negative.
prostitute.
This
You was
has
walking around this
nothing
bitch burning,
to
trying to
do
blame
with
everything on
fucking
King. I just showed
despite
everything.
whatever me
You're
and
a
King
liar.
have. This has
You're a
something to do
liar.
with me
You're a
and
liar.
you.
You're a
And you
liar.
could have angled
You're
this
a
as a
liar.
grown man. The
You're a
heat is
liar.
so on.
You're a liar.
You had to
You're a
exit
liar.
your live.
You're a liar. You
And
tried
you
to
got
blame
to
everything
join
on King.
King's
When I was
live
on the phone with you,
to
the first thing you
interrupt
said,
King.
King. She didn't even apologize to me, gang. The first thing she could do was blame you. She didn't even apologize to me when I told her on the phone. The first thing she could do was start to say King gave me that shit. On my mama life, on Jesus Christ, I ain't got no reason to lie. On Jesus Christ, nigga.
I gave
On
it
my
to
mama
her?
life. On my mama life, she said that shit.
See, bro,
She's
I'm
a liar.
confused.
She was
Nah,
walking around
bro.
with
What
that
the
shit.
fuck? Bro, what
She
the
gave me that
hell,
shit, chat.
gang?
She had that shit,
Look.
chat. She's a liar. And then you want to know the crazy part? She got on live today trying to say Gezzo gave her that shit, chat. I just let y'all know everything the real. She showed y'all test results from August, chat. She showed y'all test results from August, chat. I had sex with this girl in November, and no one else could give it to me, chat. Y'all wanna know why? Because it's the only girl I had
How the
sex
fuck
with.
did I give her something though, chat? If she said...
Y'all niggas, don't even gotta believe me, nigga. I ain't have sex from July all the way to November when I first fucked Bonnie, and I ain't fucked no one since then. Nigga, on my mama life. Fuck, y'all niggas be picking and choosing. That girl is dirty. That girl is dirty.
No, so something wrong with this nigga. This nigga.
She just said she was itching. She just said she was itching this emotion, and then she self-diagnosed herself for the yeast.
Let me ask you a
She
question.
self-diagnosed herself for the yeast.
This is a
Dirty
valid question. Do you want to be a part of the
dirty
mess?
ass bitch.
Do you want to be a
You
part of the mess?
prostitute. You're a fucking prostitute, liar. You're a prostitute. You're a liar. Stupid. She's a fucking dummy.
And if a bitch says no, but I'm pretty sure the comment section telling you that
she's showing old ass results. Exactly. The difference between her and her is I didn't have sex with nobody. I didn't have sex with nobody, chat. I was on an abstinent run. What the fuck?
that's what you want? You want me to say, so you want me to say you burn. Okay, then, King, you burn them. If that's what you want, you burn them. You burn them. Because if a bitch gonna show the fucking results and say no, and you keep saying...
All y'all showing late results. Chat, I told y'all the last time I had sex was in July. I got tested July 30th. It came back August 1st. Everything was negative. I didn't have sex with no one until November. Believe it or not, you don't have to. I didn't have sex with no one for November. Go find old clips of me saying I'm abstinent. I'm not having sex. I talked about it almost every day on live. She was the first person I had sex with, chat. The first 2 times with condoms. The third one, she insisted on going without a condom, chat. She proceeded to do it without a condom, chat. And then she had chlamydia the whole time. Only reason I ever burned this shit up, chat, I would never talk about this shit on live. She tried to come on live today. I found out on December 1st, chat. I got that shit out of the way. Took the pills. Chat, she got on live today trying to say G-Star gave her that shit. I haven't spoken to this girl or nothing. She tried to lie on my name and tarnish my name saying I gave her some shit. Whole time she was on my phone trying to say King gave it to her. That's how King got in it. Cause she was on this motherfucking app, goddamn trying to say it's me, but she was on my phone trying to blame King and shit. On my mama life, nigga. I don't gotta lie. I don't have to lie about nothing. What the
I
fuck?
never
She
asked
play on
you
me
to
like that,
get
gang.
checked. I never asked you to get checked. Jesus on his fucking live that day talking about the situation. Nobody
What?
just came over here asking.
Why
He
did
was on
Why
his
did she ask
fucking
King if he
live.
got checked? This is
Show
my
proof.
that's
Show
this
He
is
was
my
on
whole thing
live
though, chat.
talking about
That's just the whole thing though.
So proof I was talking about any situation like
Chat,
that,
listen,
chat. Show it right now.
chat, when
What
she
you
just
talking
came to my
about?
live the other day, that was just 2-3 days ago. She
What you
came to my
talking
live
about?
and the first thing she said was,
You
King,
know
did
what?
you get checked?
Jesus
Mind
was
you,
the
I haven't
one.
fucked her since fucking
Jesus was the
October or
one
some shit like
was
that.
trying to
So
turn it
why
back.
is she
You're
even
lying,
playing on
nigga.
my name to even
You're
ask me, did I
lying,
get
nigga.
checked?
You're-
That's like she trying to...
Chat, she's caught. Chat, she's caught. Y'all think about this shit right quick. I'm putting it in y'all head. She's saying she didn't bring King into it, but the other day she said that I gave it to her, right? But the other day she got on King Live saying you should go get checked. If you haven't dealt with King or anything, why should King go and get checked? Because you were just on my phone blaming it on King. That's what it was. You was on my phone blaming it on King. That's why she got on King Live saying you should go get checked. She's a fucking liar, chat. She's a liar.
When
Nigga, she's
Jesus
a flip.
called me on the
At the end of
phone
the day, I'm not burning.
and talking
You know what I'm
about
saying?
burning.
In real life,
Jesus
I'm
was
not
the
burning, so I
fucking
really don't
one
give
who
a fuck
said,
about what y'all say, how y'all say. I don't give a damn.
I thought
gang.
you
I'm
gave it
straight,
to me,
gang.
and I don't
The
want
fuck
to come
y'all
and
talking about? Y'all
TikTok
see my
for you to
paperwork.
switching on me. So you should call King because
See
maybe
my
King
paperwork.
did that shit to you because I didn't
What?
have this, I didn't have that. That's what fucking Jesus say. You
But
said
listen though, chat.
it could.
But I'm
You
slow,
said
chat.
that.
I'm slow. Them two.
I
the
burnt
ones-
King up? Why the fuck would I burn King up if you burnt me, dumb bitch? If you burnt me, why the fuck would I bring King up? It's about me and you. What the fuck do I care for King for in that situation if you gave it to me, dummy? What are you talking about? You're dumb. You're a liar. She's lying. I brung up King out of nowhere. Did King burn me, bitch, or did you do it? Why the fuck would I bring King up? You're a liar. You're a fucking liar, gang. She's a liar. Oh, my mama
King
lied.
doesn't
She's a
have
liar,
anything
chat.
because King and I got tested. King is the only nigga I've been
He's
fucking.
a fucking
After
liar,
King
chat.
is you.
Even saying-
You're
Hey,
the
King, you can
one
hear me,
that
gang?
turn around and fucking
King,
say
you can-
when
Yeah.
King cheated on you with that
You can
bitch.
hear me,
Yeah.
gang?
Yeah.
All right, so King, let me ask you something. Why the fuck am I gonna ask Bonnie to call you if she's the one burnt me? What does it have to do with you? Even if you did give it to her, gang, it's between me and her right now.
That's what I'm saying.
What the fuck am I
This
gonna
is
bring
this
you
is what I'm
up for?
confused on, gang. That's y'all situation. So how do I come in on like?
You feel me? And look, King, you know, be real. What sense do it make just for me to bring you up? She goddamn said that shit on my phone, King. I swear to God on everything, on my dead homies, nigga. I don't have to lie about that shit, gang. And then the other day, she saying she didn't bring you up. So, King, why she get on your live telling you to go get checked then?
That's what I'm saying, bro. This is not. That's what, bro. That's what's really. That's why it's brain, bro. Chat on my mama. Chat. That's what's it shit adding up now, gang. That's what's making it add up. Cause she literally got on my live, and the first thing she said was, "King, did you go get checked? I can run a live back." Why is she asking me
Okay,
that
then.
though? When I haven't, I'm not fucking
Okay,
you.
then, chat.
I'm not the one you
Okay,
fucking.
then, chat.
So why are you asking
Okay,
me that
then,
though,
chat.
gang? It's been months since
Okay,
I even
then,
talked
chat.
to you. This is what I'm
Okay, then,
saying though,
chat.
chat. It's not making
Case
sense,
closed,
bitch.
nigga.
Y'all slow. What
Case
the fuck,
closed,
bitch? Let
nigga.
your mama love you.
Case
Fuck out my
closed,
chat to
chat.
my niggas
Case
slow. Y'all
closed.
dumb as
She
fuck.
had
Y'all
that
obviously
shit.
not understanding what the fuck I'm
She had
saying.
this shit.
Fuck is y'all
And y'all
talking
keep saying
about?
niggas burning. No one is burning no more, chat. This shit is old shit. This shit is from a month ago, chat. She the one who bringing it up now. She's the one who bring it up today because she's salty. She's mad that nigga don't talk to her no more. She mad I don't want her no more. She mad I ain't talking to her. I ain't been speaking on that bitch. That's what she mad about. This shit old, chat. She bring it up today trying to say I goddamn said some shit about that shit. She trying to goddamn bring this shit up today saying I gave her. I haven't spoken to this girl. She bring this shit up today. I didn't bring this shit, nigga. Y'all think I'm the one who burnt the fucking prostitute? Nigga, the prostitute the one who going around giving the shit out. What the fuck? She the one with the fucking chlamydia, nigga.
Sister got raped in Charlotte. Remember, man, gang and rape your sister in Charlotte. That's why you don't got a mother, bitch. And you can fuck with me.
Who the fuck raped my sister? She's a fucking liar. My sister's never got raped. If a nigga rape my sister, nigga on my mama, a nigga has to be in the ground right now. She's a fucking liar. Who the fuck raped my sister? And that right there is how y'all know this shit is over. That's how y'all know she's caught and she's done. Now she already said I like men. Now she's saying my sister got raped. Now she's saying I don't got a mom, chat. It's over. She's lied. Shit's over. It's over, chat. She lost, nigga.
Shit like
it's
that,
over.
dumbass.
She's a liar.
Y'all
She's a
talking
liar.
about?
It's over.
Y'all
She
gonna sit up here
nigga
talking about
sister
I'm
got
slow
raped.
and she and this that,
Liar.
this that. Gang,
Yeah, no,
it's
look,
been plenty of
it's
times
over.
I've been laid
It's
out
over.
with this girl and she would just bring up her old niggas. She'll bring up what's the
Thank
one
you.
singing ass nigga from the nigga Nance. I don't know. This nigga is in Jamaica. Fuck, I care about it. Oh yeah, Nance.
You
He
feel
wasn't
me, gang?
famous. He had
Why, $5,000 for body, eh? All heap of money Ivany I spend on them, you see me? And I'm gonna give problem. Anyway, people, we're not gonna longer this no longer, you see me? Please.